Good day, learners. Welcome. I'm so excited today because we get to do a new topic. My name is Miss Diane Bailey
I'm Miss Fatimah Baka.
and we are your teachers for today's lesson. I'm going to tell you all about our very own topic, our new topic to be exact. Now just sit right down and enjoy this lovely song from Miss Baker. Your lesson starts now.
Okay, learners, so now we'll have the song. So you need to sit, you need to listen attentively, and sing along if you understand. Okay, here we go. It's how the plant makes its food, it's how the plant makes its food, it's how the plant makes its food is called photosynthesis. Plants need food, but can't take it. Plants need food, but can't take it. Plants need food, but can't take it. It's called photosynthesis. Instead they have to bake it. Instead they have to bake it. Instead they have to bake it in their leaves. In their leaves you cannot see. In their leaves you cannot see. In their leaves you cannot see the chloroplast. It's so tiny, 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 making food for energy. Here we have the recipe, and here we have the recipe, and here we have the recipe for photosynthesis. Water, sugar, and carbon dioxide, water, sugar, and carbon dioxide, water, sugar, and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. And when it's finally done, and when it's finally done, and when it's finally done, there's sugar and oxygen, there's sugar and oxygen, there's sugar and oxygen. From water, air, and sun, from water, air, and sun, from water, air, and sun. That's photosynthesis, that's photosynthesis.
Yes, learners, after listening to Miss Baker's song, what do you think our topic will be for today? Or what is the song about? Does anyone know? Yes, John. Yes, it's about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Or what is photosynthesis in the song that Miss just sang? Yes, Maya? Yes, it's plants makes its own food. Yes. Now, as we all know what is photosynthesis, let's read what is on the board. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. The leaf is responsible for the making of plant food. The plant needs water and mineral salts from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight to make food. Oxygen is given off as waste during this process. The oxygen goes into the atmosphere. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaves, is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Yes. Yes, learners. Have you ever wondered how plants feed? To answer this question, we need to understand what is photosynthesis. Yes, we know photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their own food to grow and develop. In order to perform photosynthesis, it needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, which is obtained from air and water, and also chlorophyll, which is the green substance that all plants have, is fundamental for performing photosynthesis, since it cannot happen without it. Yes, without chlorophyll, photosynthesis would not happen. By the way, chlorophyll is what gives all plants their green color. Did you know that? Yes, yes, Tom. Did you know that chlorophyll gives the plant green color? Yes, very good. But how does photosynthesis takes place? Look at this model. Come around, learners, and look at this model. As you can see, its roots are anchored to the ground, and through them plants, water is absorbed and minerals in the soil. Water with minerals, both, are transported up the stem, reaching to the leaves, and the leaves are full of tiny pores that we cannot see, called stomata, which absorb the carbon dioxide that the air in the surrounding contain. Yes, all this containing water, mineral, and carbon dioxide is called raw sap. Now it's chlorophyll turn. Let us know what is chlorophyll. Now the chlorophyll in the leaves has all the necessary ingredients for photosynthesis to take place. And when it receives sunlight, the process begins by transforming the raw sap into elaborated sap, which also circulates all around the plant and works as food. Yes, all plants feed from the elaborated sap, and they store it in their root, just like a carrot, or in their fruit like an orange. You see? Now we know how photosynthesis takes place and the ingredients for it to process. Yes. Now students, what have we learned today? What is photosynthesis? Can anyone tell me what is photosynthesis? Yes? Yes, correct. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Now I will be giving you a worksheet on photosynthesis to know exactly what you've learned today. Yes, learners, let's go through the worksheets together. Let's read the questions together. It says, fill in the blanks. We have light, air, water, and oxygen. And we see here we have a diagram showing the sun, the light, the carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water. Now, the question is, photosynthesis create food for plants. We know that, yes. Plants use something from the sun. Plants use carbon dioxide from the something. Plants use something from the soil. Plants grow and give out something. You need to choose these words very wisely to fill in the blank space. Yes, who's ready to give me their answer from completing the worksheet? Alright, let's go through the questions together, but remember, before answering questions, you need to raise your hand. Yes, number one question, plants use something from the sun. Yes, John, what does plant use from the sun? Yes, it's light. Plants use light from the sun. Number two question, plants use carbon dioxide from the something. Yes, Amanda, what does plant use carbon dioxide from? Yes, the air. Excellent. Number three, plants use something from the soil. Akisha, what does plant use? Yes, they use water. Number four, our very last question, reads, plants grow and give out something. What does plants grow and give out? Does anyone know? Yes, William. What is your answer? Yes, it's oxygen. Well done, class.
Okay, students, now after we've learned all that we've did about photosynthesis today, we now will have an acrostic poem. If you do not know what an acrostic poem is, it's a poem that lets you know more about the topic that you're doing, in this case, photosynthesis, by using the letters of the word. What is the P, the H, the O, the T, the O, the S, the Y, the N, the T, the H, the E, the S, the I, and the S? Okay, so now we'll get into the poem. P. P is for photosynthesis, is the process of the plant making food for themselves. H. Helping them to take in carbon dioxide we breathe out. O. Oxygen we breathe in that they make in photosynthesis. T. They make sugar and oxygen and release it into the air. Or they are very healthy to eat. S. Tomatoes help in the carbon dioxide and sunlight to make food. Y. You can help the plant by exhaling and releasing carbon dioxide. N. Never put plants into the closet because it cannot get sunlight. T. The plants absorb water through its roots. H. Help to plant more plants to give us air to breathe. E. Everyone can help by planting to stop pollution to clear the air. S. Stop bad air. Keep the earth clean. I help by watering plants. S. So, keep the earth clean for plants. And this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you.